welcome back. So I got a theme set thingy that I'm doing here, so let me come around. Hopefully I don't hurt myself on molding these, but I was trying a thing with the gold. Okay, it's subtle, but it got the point across. And I feel like this is the mold that used to always give me grief. I haven't used this in so long, but ooh, okay, that's good. Ooh, this is pretty. This is pretty. Yes, simple to the point. Yeah. And then this one I'm rushing because I don't got no space on my phone. But okay, yes, here we are. Hints of gold. Okay. Yes. I think, okay, so I got UV resin. I think I want to add some gold flakes to it. Yeah, I think I might want to add some gold flakes. I don't know, but I love it. Obviously we have a theme going here, but everything came out perfect, and that's all that matters. We got rolling tray ashtray set and a cute little candle holder. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless. Check out the podcast. There are new episodes. What else? Yeah, and just like everything else, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you for watching. It's Pointless Unmolding. Bye.